Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Melo Trade. We're gonna be streaming really soon. I just want you to read the disclaimer, guys. I'm fixing the chart here, and we go in 2 seconds. Please read the disclaimer, and that's very important. All right, now you're done with the disclaimer. Let's watch the charts. So, what do we have today, guys? Basically, yesterday I told you that we had a 1-2 punch from New York Open. Today we had the one pump chump. One pump chump is as easy as this sound is. You just press sell or you press buy at market open. As easy as it sound. Let me delete these guys. I have a couple of trade here for you guys today to review. Yeah, let's delete. Here you go. Let's put these in a folder. All right. That's what we opened today, guys. 15 minutes. We had if you guys saw the preparing video for New York Open, we had the news, and it seems like a long time ago, which is just today. We had the news that grabbed the liquidity, and I told you guys we were losing the value area low, 15-minute high, and we're losing the 15-minute low. So we made a high, we took that liquidity. Not only we took the liquidity, we rejected from the local 618 right here. Local 618 liquidity news, it was 4.4, unemployment expected 4.3, and we lost the trend. The trend was up, but a lot of liquidity, and we lost the trend. So let's go to the 3 minute. I have couple of levels here, couple of order blocks. 30-minute, 1 hour, last order block. We had the low, and basically we opened right here. We already, before market open, we already bouncing out of the key level. um, it wasn't strong enough, I guess, or they just wanted to dump it. So I right away was marking this order block. I knew we broke a structure right here. So I didn't take no trade at day open. um, we broke a structure and we were going to this order block right here, and I was waiting for this. I took the trade here, guys, at market open because I saw this candle right here. And as you guys know me, I take the trade in validation to the high, and I think I went right here just to front run these lows, just to let me make sure. Where did I go? Yeah, I think I even went higher, and I'll tell you the reason. I went to this, just front run that block, and because that was market open, guys. Sometimes they just ignore every technical and everything, and they just go. So next candle, TP1, stop loss to entry, and the next candle, I think they wicked me up. Yeah, they wicked me up. I'm out, and then they went. And it happens all the time. My TP2 was here to that order block. Happens all the time. We came to this order block, guys, and I think we closed. Okay, so on my chart, we front ran it right here. We front ran that wick right here, so it wasn't any trade to be taken. This one is done. This was the trade, guys. I should have held that trade, but TP uh, TP1 hit, stop loss to entry, and they wicked me in this candle. Anyways, so this one is not, it wasn't anything. Plus, we had a break of structure right here on the 15 minutes, so it wasn't something that I would take. So I didn't take it. It's the last order block, so I always like to take it, but they didn't give me nothing. Yeah, they wicked me. They wicked in here, and they go. It should be like but this is not part of my strategy, so um, I wasn't gonna take it. And they basically came back to it, and they came back to the upside for basically this order block right here. They front ran that order block like a champ always. And yeah, we didn't have nothing. Now we had this order block right here that I think I took the short on this order block. uh, Now, to be honest, guys, I saw the structure, and we got a little bit break here, which is an early break. Is not a break, but we lost it right away. So I was cautious with this one. I had that order block got rejected, so I took it right here. Stop loss to invalidation, which is basically if you that's the invalidation right here. And the thing, I didn't have anything to take it to, so I just took it to front run all these stuff right here. Let me see. Yes, I did right here. So on this candle, I had TP1 hit and TP2. I think it was the low. So I had a TP1, TP2 hit on this one, and then I was waiting for this order block to be taken. This one, you could have passed it, you could have sit, not take it. It's a risky one because we made that early, so we could have just um, see that order block is big and it didn't hold. So we could have just made right here on the doji higher high, higher low here, holding this trend line, and we just engulf it and then we go. But seller today was very aggressive, and this uh, this wick here, it told us a story on what's gonna happen in the market. Now we got 2 weeks into that order block. Well, this one was the better. This right here, this wick was the better, but let's see what happened. Now we broke. We're coming back to this order block, and we closed in it, guys. So no touchy here. But I think they decided to run that order block because the sellers, they were very aggressive today. Very very aggressive today, and they didn't miss any chance. Front run stuff. Uh, it was crazy today, to be honest with you. Let's delete this. Let's hide that one. I told you, just one pump jump today. You just gotta every green candle. You just press sell and it works. Every green candle, you press sell and it works. Um, but that's not how we trade, and we dump so hard. Like right here, I think if we flip to the 6 minute, I saw this happening, guys. This is the order block on the 6 minute, and I saw this happening. So on the 6 minute, we closed one barely outside, and I saw this pump coming in, and we went. I was gonna take it, but it's not something that maybe in the future I'll work on it. Just because here we close into the order block, so and that was the order block right here. So we'll see in the future what's gonna happen. Um, yeah, we dumped really hard. We got to the last order block. This was very high volume, and the volume was picking up. So it's nothing I would take. It just we didn't make a lot of order blocks to come back to. Now we made this one. We closed above it. No break structure here. Just simple going down. Did we front run this one? So this order block is gone. We took out the low, and it happens like they just pushed. They just pushed. They kept pushing. Sellers in control. Did we front this one? Yeah, I think we front run this order block. We made some because we had that second deviation of the VWAP, and we were just grinding it down, and we didn't come up at all. We were grinding it up, and we didn't come up to that order block. I wanted to come up, but was basically I saw this was a lot of sellers and a lot of buyers. But at the end, I think the seller won. I just wanted the buyers to go a little bit more, give me that wick, and I'll enter. But I don't think they did it. Yeah, we went straight down. We had this weird block here, guys. On this exchange, we had this order block. On the other exchanges, we had this order block. Either one, it didn't give me anything that I would trade on, but we had that weird one. Right here, it didn't respect the block. Like they tried to palm in one, nothing. So this one, nothing, and this one, like basically, even when they got into that order block, even if they closed in it, they go down, and it was very sellers in control. That's it. Like no nothing, just straight sells in control. And I had this finally I had this order block, but where I was gonna take it, I had invalidation to here, and I was just gonna take it to front run that low. That's it. I think that's what I did. Because I have nowhere to take it. Yeah. So I had TP1. TP1 got hit, and the TP2 they just wicked me out. Show you the next candle. Got wicked out. I'm out. Nothing happening. This block worked. That's it. And they just continue on their merry way. This one we got front run, I believe, or we smashed through it. This was the I think they start to making a couple of lows here. Yeah, So it just Wick City here. And when I saw this, guys, this is I got a hit today, to be honest. I saw this one. I saw the low. I saw a higher low on a three candle down, and then we broke. And then I saw we got supported by this order block right here. It closed in it, but it went out again, and we made another high right here. So I marked this order block, and I said the last order block got hit already. We got the demand out of it, so I was waiting for this order block. And here is where we came down, and then we made this candle, which is we hit exactly my point of interest, and it showed me there is a supply of demand. So I took along here, and I just wanted to target this order block right here as a TP1, and my invalidation, it would have been this last low. But I guess they just felt like they need to go down. And I'll tell you the mistake I did, guys. This is the order block. As soon as I saw this close into the order block, I should have just closed it because it's no follow through. Yeah, invalidation here, but it's no follow through. And I was watching this order block as well, the last order block, which is we already got the bounce out of it right here. But the next candle comes and we just close in it. I shouldn't be waiting for like it, right as of right now we went down 0.61%. So I should have closed it here, take the loss, and it would be easy to get back to it. But I took the full loss here and try to win up, but I just took a loss here. And then I went for lunch, so I said that's okay. I can make it back. The full loss basically put me in the minus for the day. Um, this right here, I was watching the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. This what caused that slow grind down. No direction, it just went down. So now we're structurally break again to the downside, and I was waiting for this to come, didn't make it. I was waiting for this one to come right here, uh, for short because we made a new low, and we just closing it. We kept going up. We closed into that one, so this got invalidated and this got invalidated. And when I saw this one, guys, uh, this pump right here, and then we got this. It's similar situation to this one. It's where I saw this. Uh, but I was gonna try this order block because yeah, is that what I did? Try that order block. Is that order block right here? No. So I set it out. Um, let me see what happened here. Yeah, we came down hot, and then we closed in it, so no trade here. And literally, we had uh, this order block I think, and we closed into that order block. Yeah, I just set this one out to see what's happened, and we got the bounce, and we kept hitting on it. Yeah, very weird. We kept hitting on it, and then we made this order block with um, basically bullish engulfing. And then when we made that bullish engulfing, that means this order block is actually holding because all this wicks into it. And then we closed one. Sorry, we closed two. We didn't close under it. We didn't even wick under it. And we had the engulfing candle. This basically shows me this is a potential for um, higher low. So I took a long here, honestly, and I was just gonna target these wicks here. Um, yeah, we had this. No, I didn't take long. Sorry, guys, I didn't take long. No, but looking at it right now, I should have. But I didn't take long. What I did, I had this order block. I know it was mitigated, a small mitigation here, but when I saw this coming close, I just took a short here just to see if this block gonna hold or not, and like basically stop loss to here. It was very good risk to reward trade, and basically I took that to that wick. That would be take profit one. Obviously we hit it on the thing, uh, and I wanted stop loss take profit two here, but I got wicked out. So it's good because now as a loss is a quick win for me. Just something that I had to try because I see it all the time, and I need that little move from it. Anyway, so now basically we had this order block, this last one, and now we made this order block, and I think that pump after uh no, so we start coming down. I thought we're gonna front run that order block. I was watching it, and we made this wick. It's not something I would have take, and we wicked it again. I wasn't gonna take it. I already got burned by one like that, and we got so I was waiting because I saw this early break right here. Okay, so we got bullish engulfing, and then we got bearish engulfing, and we break. So right here we had an order block here, and I was waiting for this order block here. So basically I'm playing the area here and here, and obviously if you guys see, we closed under the order block, so I had to take it, and I was just gonna take it, of course, invalidation to this point, or this point, it doesn't matter. For now I was just gonna take it uh, to the low of that candle. That's it. That's all I wanted from it, as a TP1, of course. So next candle, we made it, and my TP2 was to here. And in the same candle, we went up, stop loss to entry, and they wicked me up. Same candle. You're not gonna see it here. It's the same candle, but I was out, and then I saw a doji closed, and we made a doji, and then we made engulfing. So this order block, uh, basically it was, we got the reverse from it. We made a lower than this low, and I got a doji and engulfing. Plus, this is potential to be a higher low. We didn't take it. So when I saw that engulfing, this is basically a pattern for bottoms. So I took my trade here. After the engulfing, invalidation, of course, below this low, and TP1, I was gonna take it just to this right here, this wick. I wanted to take it to here, but I thought it's gonna be more than I needed from the trade, and yeah, we just got my TP1, stop loss to entry, and they scared me out with this candle. Was coming red. I said I want to take the rest of it, and then I just closed the candle. I closed the trade. I closed that trade, but my TP2 was here, so eventually hit. And that's it, guys. That was my day, and I was up in the morning, and then um, with that full loss, basically I went minus, and then barely I'm plus again with these three trade. Now there is a trade here that I took. Where was that trade? This one. Was it that one? Let me see. There is a trade that I just closed when I saw a close in the. Let me see, where's that trade? That was a 318 trade. 318. Was it this one? No. A 318. Sure. Yeah, open time is 318, close time 321, and it was a short trade. Oh, so I shorted here. Okay, so here's what happened. I had this order block here, and we closed in it. So I wasn't supposed to short, guys. It's such a, what a move. Why would I do that? Anyways, so I shorted here somehow. I think it was market cipher short. I shorted here, invalidation to here, and I was just going to take it, basically. No, I wasn't gonna go there, but let's say if I wanted to go there, and then the next candle closed in the order block. Oh yeah, perfect. So I had an invalidation here, and when I saw this close in the order block, I just closed it. Did I? And then I opened another one. Yeah, I think that's what happened. That's exactly what happened. I closed it. I took a loss right here. I took a loss because we were pushing into the order block, and we closed in the order block. Probably if I waited, but I already got. So from now on, yeah, invalidation. I put I just want to see the wiggle, but as soon as I see a close in the block, that will be gone, and that would be a full stop, guys. Again, uh, if I were to take, no, where is it? I took it here. Basically, that would be a full stop. Even if I took it here, it would be a stop here, but I wouldn't make my money. Anyways, I did that. I took the stop, and right away I made the money and plus some. So let's see what happened after this, because I was waiting for this order block, and looks like we're just bumping. Oh, so before the live, I had this one. We front ran it, of course. On the exchange we hit it, but over here we front ran it. I think we uh, went down a little bit. Yeah, that's it. We went down a little bit, and now we're going to this order block. This is basically a nick. It's not even a hit. I need to see more, but I guess we're rejecting from the big order block. So I have engulfing, bearish engulfing candle, doji, bearish engulfing candle, and it looks like we're gonna just run that order block. So let's put the deviation back, standard deviation 1, and you have another one here. So you wouldn't have a break until here. Yeah, you wouldn't have a break until here, a 3-minute break. On the 15-minute, basically, you just front run the 15-minute. Yeah, and that's basically what you do. Let me put the 15-minute here. Yeah, right here. That's exactly what you do when you want to short stuff. You wait for the last um, high, and you just try it, because the invalidation is really like, the invalidation, guys, is really cheap. What's the invalidation here? It's very cheap. What was it? Yeah, very cheap invalidation. Even if you took a loss, you couldn't make it. You couldn't make it in any other trade. But you see, how's that trade yield you? Very nice. And as soon as you are, basically what happened here, if you took a fib to the order block, and you go to the ranges, as soon as you are in the 75% of the order block, you could take it. You could take it. You just have 25% to go. A little bit more because you're going to the wick, but it's a legit short, and that's what I did here. And that's exactly what I did here. Right here, this is the block, and I shorted here. I basically, I just had that 25% to pay for the fee, and we go, not even a fee, like, this very small loss if I were to take it. But if we reverse, you get a nice reverse, and of course you take profit right away. Like, I would have be out at that high right here, at the bottom of the order block. Next TP, maybe this order block, and maybe I'll wait for this one. But yeah, that's what you have. So basically, 3 minute structure to the upside, 15 minutes still. We front run the 15 minutes, so we still to the downside. As soon as you break this low, you flip bearishly again on the 3 minute, because you never took the 15 minute. So 15-minute bearish, you break bearish again here on the 3 minute. So you're now waiting for this one. Even if we got a bounce from it, you're not waiting. and basically you're just waiting for that last order block. Okay guys, I gotta leave. I have something to do. If you like the content, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Please read the disclaimer one more time, and Melo Trade, I'm out. Bye bye for now.